I'm Elizabeth Talbot, and this is Matthew Talbot, and we're with the Talbot Law Group in Walnut Creek, California, and we are a trust and probate firm in the San Francisco East Bay. Today we're going to talk about the Advance Health Care Directive and the flip side of the Advance Health Care Directive, which is a conservatorship.
Yes, there's a lot of people very concerned about these types of issues given the coronavirus pandemic, and we're here just to provide some information to help you in these times. So what Elizabeth talked about was the healthcare directive. And what this document does is that it appoints an agent to manage medical affairs. And that's very important because if you're unable to manage your medical affairs, you need someone to make these decisions for you. And it provides clarity regarding certain types of decisions relating to treatment, decisions relating to your body after you pass, relating to your doctor. These are important things also. And so you want someone who's going to know what you want, and then you also want to tell them what you want in these documents also through the healthcare directive.
And it's important to note that even if you have a spouse, your spouse does not automatically have that power to make healthcare decisions for you. So I actually did need to do an Advance Healthcare Directive and appoint Matthew as my healthcare agent should I be in the hospital or unable to make my own medical decisions.
And if you don't have this documentation, then your spouse or your children or somebody will have to go to court to set up a conservatorship. Now, a conservatorship is where a judge appoints an agent to make medical decisions on your behalf if you're unable to do so. And this is not as good as the healthcare directive because the judge doesn't know you, the judge doesn't know your family, and they're not going to necessarily make as good of a decision as you would. Additionally, it may be that your family fights over this issue, and this fight is now public because everything that's filed in the court is a public document, and you probably don't want your family's private squabbles publicly put not only in pleadings but also with court hearings. A conservatorship is also bad because of the cost. It's significantly more expensive than a healthcare directive and time consuming. It can take months and months to get a conservatorship set up fully. And so in a number of ways you want to try to avoid the conservatorship process. And by doing a healthcare directive with a trained attorney, then you can hopefully minimize cost and maximize outcomes for you and your family.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.